If you don't know what to eat, make this quick and easy rice bowl. It's simple and takes less than 15 minutes to make. Let me show you. First, we're gonna start with cooking the rice. We're gonna put that sweet corn in the rice so we could get some crunch to our bowl. And if you have leftovers, that's even better. This makes the perfect meal for just using what you already have. Once the rice is done, it's gonna look just like this. Now we're gonna be adding our protein of choice. I'm using beef steak strips, but you can customize it however you want. You can use chicken, shrimp, tofu, whatever. For our seasonings, today we're gonna use red pepper flakes, garlic powder, caramelized onion butter, and Cajun seasoning. Once it's done, it's gonna look just like this. Look how scrumptious that is, y'all. Don't you just want to bite it through the screen? Now let's just add some veggies. I'm using lettuce, but you could use peppers, onions, spinach, anything you want. And that's it, a quick and easy rice bowl that you can make in no time. Perfect for lazy days. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.